Welcome to another series of Did You Know? Number 2, Claims and Payout Duration. My name is Kui and I am with IAA. Today I'll be going through with you guys why does some claim takes longer and then the others to get paid, and also if something were to happen to you, would your insurance actually pay your family members, and how do you trust them? So today we'll begin with a common question that a lot of clients ask. Why does some of the claims take a lot longer to get paid than others? Is it because of the company, or is it just because of something else? So not a lot of people know this, but in an insurance contract we have something called the contestability period. What this period is that it's a short window where an insurance company have the right to investigate if your claim is true or false. This usually happens in the first 2 years of the policy going into effect. So with all this, how does this really affect how long it would take for my claim to get paid out to me or my family? So remember that if anything were to happen to you within the first 2 years, the insurance company has the right to investigate to see if this claim is actually true or false. What I mean by this is, if you falsely claim that you did not have a disease or a sickness and you die from that sickness within those 2 years, the company has the right to investigate that what you said was false and would not pay you. Another example is smoking. If you claim that you are not a smoker in your application, and within those 2 years you die of lung cancer because of smoking, then the company has the right to not pay your claim as well. Another thing that the insurance company heavily focuses on is the cause of death, because within a contract there's a clause saying that the client cannot die from a suicidal attempt within the first 2 years. So that means that the company has the right to check if this cause of death was actually intentional or not, because if they find out if it was intentional, they will not pay your claim. Now, because of this contestability period, this is why a claim usually takes a lot longer if it happens within the first 2 years. It can usually take up to weeks, even months. But most companies will have this kind of period. And also, the 2-year period is usually in most states. However, some states will be less or some states will be more. This one you have to check within your states or ask your local agents. Now, if something were to happen to you after the 2-year period, the insurance company does not have the right to contest anymore. Thus, the insurance company must pay you. Because of this, claims are usually paid to you a lot faster. You can expect the claims to be made days or 2 weeks. So another question I get asked a lot is, will the actual insurance company actually pay out the claims to my family once I die? Or if something happens to me? And how do I trust them that they will? So you guys got to remember that an insurance company is no different than any other business. They need customers. So in order for them to survive as a business, their reputation is extremely important to them. The government also keeps a close eye on them because they hold a lot of people's money. So what the government does is give these insurance companies a graded report based on how they perform, based on their reputation, based on how fast they make their claim, and how financially stable they are. So when looking for an insurance company that you want to save your money in, please keep a close eye on what grade report do this insurance company have. They will be graded with the letter A, B, C, D, and obviously having an A is the best one you can pick. This should give you a better idea of which company you can actually trust with these grades, and this the government has provided for us. Now, I hope that gives you a better idea of how claims get paid and how fast they get paid, and also how to look for a company and how you can trust a company. I just want to say thank you for watching. If you already haven't done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, IAA Florida Insurance Group. Also, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Queen the Wind Insurance Broker. If you guys can share and like this video to all your friends and family, this will help me tremendously. I'm going to try to continue to keep pumping out free valuable content for you guys so you guys can learn more about insurance and how insurance works. Thank you for all your love and support. Until next time, keep loving and keep learning. Kui Nuit.